Look what I found in the cedar chest. These are scissors holders. They're vintage style scissors holders for your larger pair of scissors, and they're made out of felt. So you have 2 pieces of felt, whatever color combination, and you just add the scallops and then decorate it with a little button. And one thing also to notice, at the toe, the front part of the shoe is a pin cushion. You stuff it with cotton balls and sew it up, and it's a pin cushion if you choose to use it as a pin cushion. So I remembered making these quite a while ago, and I'd forgotten all about them and was looking through the cedar chest and found them. So these are a fun project, and they're compact and easy to transport, and especially to give someone as a gift. I should probably look through my cedar chest more often to find things I didn't know I had.